being attracted to Ball State University because of their programs that we have, and especially the two-year. Okay. Students are being attracted to the university because of the two-year programs that are being expanded yearly, and especially the two-year general arts curriculum, which provides the student the opportunity of designing their own program. In addition to that one, the two-year programs in the College of Business are attracting students, the two-year journalism, the two-year printing technology, secretarial science, and in addition to those, of course, the addition of the four-year programs. Architecture has been very popular the last few years, in which we receive 600 applications, but yet only have about 40 to 50 spaces for students. Then nursing is attracting more students, and the university is gaining a national reputation in some of these specialized programs. We're getting an increasing number of inquiries from students outside the boundaries of the state. Students, in addition to the academic programs, like the university once they arrive on the campus, is because of the openness, the attractive environment that we do present. Students seem to like to have the greenery, the trees, the grass, from what they have told us. I think the university has done a fine job in spacing its building program and having a wide space between the buildings. And students, in addition to that, I think, look at the low cost as a reason for selecting a school. Parents especially are interested in the cost factor. The university is struggling to keep the cost at a minimum. You support the cost of a university by providing a comprehensive financial aid program, which we do. The aid program today is in excess of $13 million. And we're able to say that any student who demonstrates a need, the university, through one of its many programs, will assist the student in meeting their financial requirements. Then, from what the students tell us, students are attending Ball State University because of the breadth of academic offerings that we have. The expansion of the two-year programs has certainly helped in attracting students. The programs in business administration, the two-year secretarial, two-year journalism, and especially the two-year general arts program, which permits the student to design their own program. Complete flexibility. A student who has a question on career choice, who wants to explore, may enroll in the two-year program, and we will provide him with or her with the flexibility of choosing almost any course at the university. The four-year baccalaureate programs leading to a career option, those that are most popular students include architecture, nursing, radio and television, journalism. Some renewed interest in teaching. There's a projection now that there might be a shortage of teachers in the next 4 or 5 years, and we're trying to get that message to students. In addition to the academic program, students are coming to the university because of the openness, the greenery, the environment, including the kinds of people that are here. Students indicate that this is still a friendly campus, and we keep saying it, and sometime we think that it might run out, but it hasn't so far. We refer to ourselves as a medium-sized campus, and students like this. They do not want a campus too small that doesn't provide them with breadth of opportunity. They don't like a campus which is too large in which they get lost. And the size of the university today seems to be an ideal size in the minds of a lot of students.